Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do another family recipe, and it's going to be pickled shrimp. And I think you'll like this because I love shrimp, almost any way you can fix it. So it's not hard to do, it's very easy, and you can leave it in the refrigerator for several days. The first thing we do, we take 2 to 2.5 pounds of frozen raw shrimp. We're going to put that in some boiling water, and we're going to put these spices with it, and we're going to cook that about 5 minutes. You know, you have to be careful about cooking shrimp very long. We had to use 2 bags here. This shrimp is frozen, so we're going to have to be careful how we let it off in there. Now, that only cooks about 5 minutes, but I got some mixture we're going to have to put in there with it. We got to wait till it starts boiling before we time it, and then we'll time it about 5 minutes. We have a half a cup of celery tops. We have 1/4 cup of pickling spice, tablespoon of salt, and 2 cups of onions, and we just roughly chop these. They're not chopped up very fine. We have 8 bay leaves. So that's all we're going to put in that. We're going to cook that about 5 minutes when it comes up to a boil. The shrimp is in boiling now for 5 minutes. We're going to strain it. Now, after we get this drained, we're going to take the shrimp, and we got to peel them and put them in some cold water. Well, we're going to take this and let it drain over this bowl, and take the shrimp out and put it in ice water and get it cool so we can peel it and devein it. We got our shrimp in ice water cooling off, and we got to peel them. Well, the package says on they're easy to peel, so let's just hope they're right. It peels pretty easily. There's nothing I like better than shrimp. I think my favorite way to eat shrimp is grilled, and I kind of like the Cajun seasoning on it. We've got our shrimp deveined, and most of it we just had to peel it. And we're going to take the spices that we cooked the shrimp with. We're going to spread this over the top of it. Now, we're going to mix all of these spices to make a marinade to pour over the top of it. And we have 1.5 cups of salad oil, 3/4 cup of white vinegar, 3 tablespoons of capers with their juice in them, 2.5 teaspoons of celery seed, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, a dash or 2 of Tabasco. So, you know, this is hot, and you can put whatever you want to in it. I didn't put much in it. We're going to mix all of this up, and we're going to pour it on top of that shrimp. I'm going to put it in this jar like I do the 3-bean salad. And it won't take as much room in the refrigerator, and it also seals real good. So I'm just going to take this out. You can do this any way you want to. This is what I'm going to do to mine. Now that we have it in our jar, we're going to seal up. Instead of stirring this, if you have it in a jar like this, you can just take it and shake it up, and it saves you a lot of time too. So I like that about the jar. Hope you enjoy it, and I hope you watch us on another video. I appreciate you watching. Thank you.